Hello friends, welcome to my channel TechAge. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check your iPhone from 3U tools. So let's start here. Well, to check your iPhone, you need to download your 3U tools and then you have to install it. So I have already done this, so I will open it. It will take some time to open 3U tools. Now, as you can see, you have to connect your data cable with your iPhone and in your laptop. So I have to connect my iPhone, my laptop. So if when it is connected, it will give you a notification to select on the trust device on your phone. So you have to click on trust. Now you have to click on OK. So as you can see, your iPhone dashboard is looking like this. And here you can see the information of your iPhone. So as you can see, it is showing iOS 16.1, and as you can see, it is showing everything, every information. Now from here you can see there is a optional like verification report. So you have to click on it. From here you can see your device model. So my model is 12 Pro iPhone. Now as you can see, it is test result is normal. Everything is normal. So you can see it is a authentic phone. Here you can see the battery life is 86 and nothing has been changed in this phone. And the charge time showing is 1317. So and the testing score is 98. So from 3 tools, you can know about the repair history of your phone or if anything changed or not. So as you can see, the test result is normal. So nothing has been changed from this phone. So if we cross it, as you can see the apps you install and everything you can check from these 3 tools. My phone is Hong Kong variant, and as you can see, it is uh, crash analysis zero time. It never been crashed. And my iPhone 12 Pro is graphite color. So everything is matched with my phone. So this is how you can check your iPhone with 3 tools. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.